like and subscribe. Donate to the Ramen Raider, link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got a cup noodle that came out of a common noodles box. Go to Meow, spelled M-I-A-U, meowboxjapan.com. Use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. Ew. This is Nissin Cup Noodle. And actually on here it says Cup Noodles because this is like, hey Thailand, how you doing? This is green curry, and this promises to be quite good. See, look, it's got a lid, fancy, two little handles. They started doing that a little while back. I'm going to use my handy dandy noodle cup, my plastic wonder. Also has a sachet. And on these cups, they tell you how much water to add to the exact amount, and this one takes 290 milliliters. It's kind of funny. Oh, and it goes for 3 minutes. It's kind of funny. Like, I did one, what, a couple days ago, and it said to do 310 mils. This one says 290. It's like, we're not picky or nothing. It's got to be an exact amount. So yeah, I'm hoping the sun stays away. Before I did the last one, the sun was like peeking out, going crazy. God, that last one, wow. Very, very spicy, sour Chinese variety. Really quite good. It was really good. But yeah, I'm giving a little schwizz while it's hydrating. But yeah, what's going on? What are we doing this weekend? We're gonna visit some family. Some that live here, some that are here from out of state, that are still here since Thanksgiving. We had a good Thanksgiving. Yeah. Now we march on. I mean, it's the 6th of December. We're marching towards Christmas, which... I don't... Have we got any Christmas presents for anybody yet? I don't know. I mean, we're like... We are not rich folk, so... Then it's like we got so much stuff going on. Gotta have this, gotta do that, you know. It's kind of funny too, because usually it's like we know exactly what to get the kids because they just like, well, not so much my son, but this year my son for sure. But my daughter, she just spouts out, oh, I want one of these. I want the new Bunny Bunny Foo Foo Wah Wah sticks, or you know what I mean. She's a little girl, she wants everything. We were like kind of at an impasse, and I was thinking to myself, I'm like, hey, so I asked my wife, hey, what about like an easy bake oven? She might be really into that. She's really into like helping make cookies right now. You know how much it costs for a freaking easy bake oven? What the? To get like the deluxe kit, it's like $150 for a plastic oven, some powder, and a lava lamp light bulb. It's like for $150. I'm like, you're kidding? I got you a microwave. I don't know. It's kind of weird, but I really don't understand why some things like that are so expensive. I guess it's because people are like, it's for the holidays, it's okay, we'll spend the money. But even though, you know, there's always that factor. Like, well, cool. I definitely want to get this for my kid. And then it turns out like 6 months later, oh, well, we got you that thing. I don't really like it. But we searched and we spent like all this money on it. You really don't like it? No. It's like, okay, this is, okay. So we will give it a stir. This is green curry. I absolutely am a connoisseur of green curry. Last 3 nights, I've had non-Thai curry. What did I have? For 2 nights, I had Madras curry. There's a company that makes some really good, nice, authentic simmer sauces that aren't full of all sorts of weird stuff. It's just like the base, and it's really good. And I just throw some chicken, some spring onion, and some white onion in with it, and it's super good. And I had a Madras curry, and tonight I'll have the other half of my spicy vindaloo by the same company. It's Maya something? I don't know, but they make some really top-notch stuff. And I've had a lot of simmer sauces, and of the Thai stuff, Blue Elephant. That's like the best one. Blue Elephant green curry is top-notch. Cheers. Very aromatic, almost flowery. I don't know what is exactly imparting that. It just seems like full of sugar. Chicken, well hydrated. Again, very sweet. Wow. Like very sweet, like surprisingly so. Broth has a nice milky color to it. Definitely seems like it's got coconut milk powder in it. That's good. That is decent. It's nice because, I mean, this will probably be my last one for a little while, at least a couple weeks. And it's nice to have one, or actually 2 today. One was violently spicy, but that's all right. But 2 today that are just like really nice. Okay. And I wish I had some extra chicken. I mean, I could throw some of the chicken that's in my curry in there, but that's Indian curry, and that wouldn't make much sense. And no, I don't have the right stuff. I would normally put holy basil on something like this, but it's winter, so my holy basil plant is dead. I'm gonna use some of this. This is the cilantro chili crisp that I reviewed the other day from Taiwan. Dig for magic spoon. This stuff is interesting too. It's like got a nice savoriness to it. Yeah. Hit some nice notes. I'll throw some seed on top, and I think that's about as far as I can go with this. I really wish I had some authentic fun to impart with this. But yeah, holy basil, some fresh baked chicken. I don't know why, but I really like green or shrimp with green curry. A lot. curry and green chicken. That's a nice match too. That's about all I got for today. I hope you enjoyed the big show. I enjoyed bringing it to you. And as you see, and hear, our time together is coming to an end. But I hope you enjoy. And yeah, just kind of trying to tidy up. That's what I do after each episode of this show. It makes a mess, making noodles. So yeah. Alright, well, happy spring. Is it spring yet? Should be close. So, yeah. I'll see you next time. This has been Hans the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment in your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.